get to know your debit card and all the things it does. Here's how to use your debit card and PIN. First, make sure you've signed your card and memorized your PIN. Think of a PIN as being like a key that unlocks your account and card. It's just for you, and it's important as it helps to keep your money safe. You can change your PIN to something easier to remember at any cash point, but you'll need to enter the PIN we sent you before you can change it to something only you know. If you do change your PIN, make sure it's impossible for someone to guess. And if you can't remember it, use our mobile app to view your PIN instantly. Never share or tell anyone your PIN, as they might use it to take money out of your account or buy things without you knowing. And remember, never post pictures of your debit card online. After you've made your first debit card purchase using your PIN, you'll also be able to use your card to pay with contactless. It's easy to tap your card where you see the contactless symbol. Use this if you're in a shop and what you're buying is within the contactless limit. If you use your debit card to buy things online, remember to stay safe. Look out for the lock in the web browser address bar. It means the website you're on is secure. On the Smart Start webpage, you can watch our How to Keep Your Money and Your Account Safe video for tips to help you. Of course, you'll only be able to spend money that's in your spending account. And to help you manage your money, we've made it easy for you by setting spending limits. That way, you can be sure you don't overspend. If you've misplaced your debit card but know it's not lost or stolen, you can freeze your card to stop it being used online, in shops, or in other countries using our mobile banking app. Then you can unfreeze your card when you find it. Remember, it's important you contact us straight away if you think your card is lost or stolen. You can do this via internet banking, our app, or by giving us a call. We'll cancel it for you and order you a new one. If you're under 16, the parent or legal guardian named on your account will need to make the call for you. We hope you enjoy your new debit card. If you're looking for more tips and guidance, watch our other videos on the Smart Start webpage. Keep making the most of Smart Start.